Hi and welcome back to another stitch tutorial as part of my closed stitch series. Today we'll be looking at the straight and tilted stitch. For this pattern you need to make a chain that is an even number plus 3. So for this swatch I'm going to be chaining 13. Now I've made my 13 chains, I'm going to go into the 4th chain from the hook with 1 double crochet, and that skipped chain 3 at the beginning will count as a double crochet, and continue to make double crochets in each chain until the end of the row. And that's the end of row 1, where we just have a row of double crochets. For row 2, you're going to chain 1 and turn your work. This chain 1 does not count as a stitch. And into the very first stitch, make 1 single crochet, and into the same stitch, make a double crochet. Now we're going to skip 1 stitch, and into the next stitch, make 1 single crochet, and into the same space, a double crochet. And that's going to be our pattern repeat until we have 2 stitches left. So we skip 1, and in the next make a single crochet and a double crochet into the same stitch. Keep doing this until you have 2 stitches remaining. Now I have 2 stitches remaining, including the chain, and I'm going to make a single crochet into the top of that chain 3. And that's the end of row 2. To start with row 3, chain 3 and turn your work. And we're going to make a double crochet into each stitch, remembering that first chain 3 counts as your first double crochet. So into the next stitch, make a double crochet, and continue to do this all the way until the end of the row. And that's the end of row 3. Now to continue this pattern, you need to repeat rows 2 and 3. I'll meet you after I've done a few more rows. Here's my work after I've completed 7 rows. I would suggest to finish on an odd number, so your final row should be double crochets, as it makes the piece look much more cohesive. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you in the next one.